There it is, folks. That amazing gunpowder. Oh man, that flavorful heat. So amazing. Guess what? I got some beef jerky, some bacon beef jerky, hickory smoke. Guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to put it on it. I'm about to put it on it right now. It's so amazing. Like I said, guys, it's amazing on anything. Your favorite fish, chicken, ribs, steak, you name it. You want to put on a veggies, anything. Anything when you put no salt, no sugar, no gluten, no artificial flavors, well, we kept the flavor. It's all about adding value to you guys. Go pick them up today, all 4 of them. I'm talking the original. I'm talking the blackening, the Italian Biamo Italiano, and the holy mango. So incredible, so amazing. You guys can see it right now. The amazing blackening. Go pick it up. Available on all platforms. Stovetopyumyum in every which way. I'm about to eat these. Can't wait. Enough talking. See you guys soon.